Maintaining strong legs is essential for seniors, as it directly impacts mobility, independence, and overall quality of life. Contrary to common belief, age-related leg weakness is not an unavoidable part of growing older. Scientific research now shows that targeted nutrition can play a powerful role in preserving and even restoring muscle strength, well into the 80s and 90s. By understanding the underlying causes of muscle decline and making informed dietary choices, seniors can take meaningful steps to combat weakness. The right foods provide the building blocks muscles need to repair, grow, and function optimally. With the right approach, aging does not have to mean losing strength or freedom. Instead, nutrition can be a key ally in maintaining vitality and confidence at any age. As we age, our bodies undergo significant changes that often go unnoticed until they affect our daily lives. One such change is known as silent muscle collapse, a gradual process where the production of muscle repair proteins drops dramatically after the age of 60. These proteins are essential for rebuilding and maintaining strong, healthy muscle tissue. When their levels decline, muscles struggle to repair themselves, leading to increased weakness, persistent fatigue, and a noticeable reduction in mobility. Everyday activities, such as climbing stairs or taking long walks, can suddenly feel much more challenging. This hidden breakdown within the muscles is a major reason why many seniors experience a loss of strength and independence as they grow older. Understanding this process is the first step toward taking proactive measures to preserve muscle health and maintain an active lifestyle. Recent scientific breakthroughs have revealed that certain foods can do more than just provide basic nutrition. They can actually reactivate dormant muscle cells and enhance lower limb circulation. These discoveries are particularly significant for seniors, as they show that leg strength can be restored even in adults well into their 90s. Studies have demonstrated that incorporating specific nutrient-rich foods into the daily diet not only improves muscle function, but also helps reverse age-related muscle decline. Improved circulation supports muscle recovery and endurance, making everyday activities easier and reducing the risk of falls. This research underscores the powerful connection between targeted nutrition and maintaining mobility and independence as we age. While many people assume that declining leg strength is an inevitable part of aging, research shows that nutrition plays a far more decisive role. The foods you choose each day can either support muscle repair and growth or accelerate muscle loss, regardless of your age. Unfortunately, many seniors unknowingly make dietary choices that undermine their muscle health, such as consuming insufficient protein, relying on processed foods, or neglecting key nutrients like vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. These mistakes can leave muscles undernourished and prone to weakness. By prioritizing nutrient-rich foods and avoiding common pitfalls, seniors can maintain and even restore leg strength well into their later years. Ultimately, it's not age alone that determines mobility and vitality, but the quality of nutrition fueling your muscles. Maintaining strong legs and healthy joints as we age is not just about exercise. Nutrition plays a crucial role. Recent scientific research has identified 5 foods that stand out for their remarkable ability to rebuild leg strength, protect joints, and restore mobility, even into your 80s and 90s. These foods are black beans, sweet potatoes, sardines, eggs, and wild-caught salmon. Each offers a unique combination of nutrients that support muscle repair, enhance circulation, and reduce inflammation. Studies show that regularly incorporating these foods into your diet can lead to significant improvements in muscle mass, balance, and walking endurance. By focusing on these nutrient-dense options, seniors can help counteract age-related muscle decline and maintain their independence for years to come. Black beans are a powerhouse when it comes to maintaining strong muscles, especially as we age. Their rich plant-based protein content provides essential amino acids like arginine and glutamine, which play a crucial role in muscle repair and recovery. Unique to black beans is their resistant starch, a special carbohydrate that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, leading to the production of butyrate, a compound shown to help prevent muscle wasting. Additionally, Black beans are packed with minerals such as magnesium and iron, which support muscle relaxation and oxygen delivery. This combination not only aids in rebuilding muscle fibers, but also helps reduce inflammation, making black beans an exceptional food for preserving leg strength and mobility well into later years. The relationship between your gut and your muscles is more powerful than many realize. Resistant starch, found abundantly in black beans, serves as a special type of carbohydrate that isn't digested in the small intestine. Instead, it travels to the colon, where it becomes food for beneficial gut bacteria. As these bacteria break down resistant starch, they produce a compound called butyrate. Butyrate plays a crucial role in muscle health by activating genes that help prevent muscle wasting. Studies have shown that seniors with higher levels of butyrate tend to have significantly more leg muscle mass. By nourishing your gut with foods rich in resistant starch, like black beans, you are supporting both your digestive health and your muscle strength, especially as you age. To unlock the full muscle-building potential of black beans, careful preparation is essential. Start by soaking dried beans overnight with a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. This reduces phytic acid and improves mineral absorption. When cooking, opt for a slow simmer and consider adding a strip of seaweed, which enhances digestibility and infuses extra trace minerals that support muscle health. If using canned beans, always rinse them thoroughly to remove excess sodium, but retain the cooking liquid from homemade beans, as it contains valuable nutrients. For optimal results, pair black beans with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, creating a complete protein that rivals meat in its muscle-supporting power. Timing also matters. Enjoying black beans 4 to 5 hours before bedtime provides a steady release of amino acids, helping to prevent muscle breakdown during sleep when most age-related muscle loss occurs. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to supporting strong, resilient legs as we age. Rich in beta-carotene, these vibrant tubers provide a precursor to vitamin A, which helps shield muscle mitochondria, the energy centers of our cells, from oxidative damage. This protection is crucial for maintaining muscle power and endurance over time. Sweet potatoes are also loaded with potassium, an essential mineral that supports proper muscle contraction and helps prevent cramps and weakness. Additionally, their unique phytochemicals, including anthocyanins found in purple varieties, have been shown to preserve and even enhance muscle fibers. By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet regularly, you can help safeguard your leg strength and mobility well into your later years. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse for muscle health, but much of their benefit lies in the skin. The skin contains the majority of the fiber and a compound called chlorogenic acid, which helps stabilize blood sugar and reduces muscle breakdown. To maximize nutrient retention, it's best to steam sweet potatoes whole, with the skin on, for about 25 to 30 minutes. This gentle cooking method preserves beta-carotene and other vital nutrients far better than boiling or microwaving. After steaming, pairing sweet potatoes with a small amount of healthy fat, such as olive oil or tahini, can further enhance the absorption of beta-carotene. Eating sweet potatoes prepared this way provides steady energy for your muscles and supports overall leg strength, especially when included regularly in your diet. Sardines are an exceptional food for maintaining and improving leg strength, especially as we age. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, sardines help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. They also provide a significant source of vitamin D, which is crucial for muscle function and bone health. The calcium found in sardines, particularly when consumed with the bones, further enhances bone strength, indirectly supporting muscle performance. Additionally, sardines deliver complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Studies have shown that regular consumption of sardines can dramatically reduce age-related muscle loss, making them a valuable addition to a senior's diet. Choosing sardines packed in water or olive oil maximizes their nutritional benefits, and including them in meals a few times a week can help sustain strong, resilient legs well into later life. Omega-3 fatty acids found abundantly in sardines play a remarkable role in supporting muscle health, especially as we age. These healthy fats, particularly EPA and DHA, are incorporated directly into the membranes of muscle cells. This integration makes the cell membranes more flexible and responsive, allowing muscles to contract and relax more efficiently. Enhanced flexibility at the cellular level also improves the transmission of growth signals, which are essential for muscle repair and regeneration. As a result, aging muscles become more adept at rebuilding and maintaining strength. Research has shown that regular consumption of sardines can significantly reduce muscle loss and promote better mobility in older adults. By nourishing your muscles from within, omega-3s help keep your legs strong and resilient well into later life. When selecting sardines to support muscle health, it's important to choose those packed in water or olive oil rather than soybean or other inflammatory oils. Wild-caught sardines from the Pacific or Atlantic are preferred, as they typically contain higher levels of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Eating sardines with their soft, edible bones is crucial, since these bones provide highly absorbable calcium that supports both muscle and bone strength. For optimal nutrient absorption, enjoy sardines straight from the can or mashed with lemon juice, which can enhance iron uptake. Avoid heavily processed sauces or flavorings, as these can introduce unwanted additives that may hinder muscle recovery. Incorporating sardines into salads, whole grain toast, or simple dishes twice a week can help maintain leg strength and mobility as you age. Eggs are widely recognized for their exceptional protein quality, making them a powerful ally in maintaining muscle strength as we age. The protein found in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning the body can efficiently use every amino acid for muscle repair and growth. Beyond protein, the yolk contains vital nutrients such as vitamin D, choline, and leucine, each playing a critical role in muscle health. Notably, whole eggs have the unique ability to activate the body's master muscle growth pathway, known as mTOR, especially when consumed after exercise. This activation leads to a significant boost in muscle protein synthesis, helping to rebuild and strengthen leg muscles. Regularly including eggs in the diet, particularly after physical activity, can support sustained mobility and resilience well into later years. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients that play a vital role in muscle health, especially as we age. Choline, found abundantly in egg yolks, is essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that enables effective muscle contraction and coordination. Vitamin B12, also present in eggs, supports energy production and helps prevent muscle fatigue by aiding in red blood cell formation and nerve function. Selenium, another key nutrient in eggs, acts as an antioxidant and contributes to muscle repair and recovery. Whole eggs outperform egg whites because the yolk contains these crucial nutrients, along with healthy fats and additional amino acids that enhance muscle protein synthesis. Consuming the entire egg ensures you receive the full spectrum of benefits, supporting stronger, more resilient muscles compared to eating egg whites alone. For seniors aiming to maximize muscle protein synthesis and leg strength, the way eggs are prepared and consumed plays a crucial role. Soft-boiled or poached eggs with a runny yolk are ideal, as this method preserves delicate nutrients and makes the protein more easily absorbed by aging muscles. Cooking eggs gently, whether simmering for 6 to 7 minutes or scrambling slowly to maintain a creamy texture, helps retain their full nutritional value. Timing is equally important. Consuming 2 to 3 whole eggs within 30 minutes after walking or exercising the legs creates an optimal anabolic window, allowing muscles to soak up nutrients efficiently. Research shows that this targeted approach can boost muscle protein synthesis by up to 280% compared to eating eggs randomly throughout the day. Regularly including whole eggs in the diet, especially after physical activity, supports stronger, steadier legs and improved mobility for older adults. Wild-caught salmon stands out as one of the most powerful foods for maintaining strong and youthful legs, even into advanced age. Its unique antioxidant, astaxanthin, penetrates deep into muscle cells, protecting them from the oxidative damage that can lead to weakness over time. In addition, wild-caught salmon is packed with high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. The abundant omega-3 fatty acids found in this fish not only reduce inflammation, but also enhance muscle recovery and function. Research shows that regular consumption of wild-caught salmon can significantly boost leg strength, balance, and endurance. For optimal benefits, it's best to enjoy salmon cooked gently with the skin on, as this preserves its delicate nutrients. Including wild-caught salmon in your diet several times a week can help your legs remain strong, steady, and resilient at any age. Wild-caught salmon is uniquely powerful for maintaining and rebuilding strong legs in seniors, thanks to its remarkable nutrient profile. It contains astaxanthin, a rare antioxidant that penetrates directly into muscle mitochondria, acting as a protective shield against the oxidative damage that accumulates with age. This protection helps keep the cellular engines of your muscles running efficiently rather than weakening over time. Wild salmon is also rich in complete protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and natural vitamin D3. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, enhance muscle recovery, and, most importantly, activate muscle stem cells. By stimulating these stem cells, salmon supports the generation of new muscle tissue, even in adults well into their 80s and 90s. Studies have shown that regular consumption of wild salmon can dramatically increase leg strength and endurance, allowing seniors to regain mobility and enjoy a more active lifestyle. To maximize the muscle-building benefits of wild-caught salmon, proper preparation is essential. Cooking the salmon with the skin on helps retain its valuable omega-3 fatty acids, which are concentrated in the skin and support muscle recovery and strength. The best methods are gentle ones, such as pan-searing or baking at a moderate temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 15 minutes, just until the fish is tender and flakes easily. Overcooking can diminish the digestibility of protein and destroy delicate nutrients, so aim for a moist, just-cooked texture. For seasoning, a simple combination of lemon, fresh herbs, and sea salt enhances flavor without masking the natural qualities of the fish. Eating the skin is highly recommended, as it contains the highest levels of omega-3s and additional trace minerals. By following these preparation tips, you ensure that each serving of wild-caught salmon delivers optimal support for muscle health and overall vitality. Incorporating these 5 powerful foods into your weekly routine doesn't require a complete dietary overhaul. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals, such as enjoying black beans in a salad or having eggs for breakfast. As you become comfortable, gradually introduce the others, like including sweet potatoes as a side dish, sardines in a sandwich, or wild-caught salmon for dinner. The key is consistency. Regularly consuming these foods provides the nutrients your muscles need to stay strong. Remember, small, steady changes are more sustainable and effective than drastic shifts. Over time, these habits can help protect and restore your leg strength, supporting your mobility and independence well into your later years. Maintaining strong legs is not just a matter of age, but of making informed choices about nutrition. By incorporating scientifically proven foods like black beans, sweet potatoes, sardines, eggs, and wild-caught salmon into daily meals, seniors can actively support muscle repair, strength, and endurance. These dietary strategies help combat age-related muscle decline, improve balance, and enhance mobility. The evidence shows that consistent, thoughtful nutrition can restore leg strength and allow older adults to remain independent and active well into their 90s. Ultimately, the power to maintain mobility and quality of life lies in the kitchen, giving seniors the tools to take control of their leg health for years to come.